Ang mag-explore, nakakatulog ka habang habang nagte-text. But thank you so much. I really had to be here because I wanted to be with you. I wanted to celebrate my birthday with you. At ilang beses na po na-announce ni Pastor Debbie na 70 na po ako. Pero feeling ko, 50 pa rin. Nakakalimutan ko na 70 na ako. But anyway, thank you so much, and it's all because of you. You bring so much joy to my heart, and really, I pray that this year will be a much better year than 2025, and we will exceed all our expectations for 2026. So, and our expectations is that progress will be brought here to the province of Ilocos Norte. So all of us, not only us in the teaching, but all of the Ilocano family, our Kakaiyans will also experience